Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to enable or disable startup sound in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is here at the bottom search bar, please type for settings. The moment you have typed it, please proceed with the best match which has this gear icon. Click on open to continue. You can also use the shortcut keys, which are by pressing Windows key and I key together, that would lead you to open your settings. Okay, so here you need to proceed directly to the left side of it where you can see a list of the options where you need to go with personalization next to network and internet. Tap on it, and under the personalization tab, you need to scroll down and look for an option called themes where you can install, create, and manage themes. Okay. So here in the themes, you can see there are different options which are background Windows Spotlight, sound Windows default, color, mouse cursor. Please proceed with the second, which is sound Windows default. Tap on it, and the moment you have tapped on it, you would be able to see this window, which is called sound. We're here at the bottom of that, you can see an option called play Windows startup sound. So by simply unchecking this box, click on apply and OK, you have just successfully disabled the startup sound in your Windows. Okay. So when you use your computer, you won't be able to hear startup sound in your Windows. But let's say if you want to enable it again, okay? So you need to navigate the same process. And here at the bottom search bar, please type for settings. The moment you have tapped it, you need to proceed with the best match again, which is settings itself. Click on open to continue and navigate the same path, that is to go with personalization once again and go with themes and select sound, tap on it. Okay. And in this window, check this box which says Play Windows Startup Sound. Click on Apply and then OK. And by that, you have just successfully enabled the startup sound in your Windows. So close this window and you're good to go. So those are the steps on how to disable and enable startup sound in your Windows 11. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.